Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2023 CR-V Hybrid. The Honda CR-V Hybrid offers a powertrain with plenty of energy, a cabin with plenty of room, and a ride with plenty of comfort. This is all in addition to the fact it's a hybrid vehicle and the additional efficiency that it offers, and is priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 5,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, rear spoiler, moonroof, blind spot monitor, all-wheel drive, heated mirrors, alloy wheels, aluminum wheels, remote engine start, power lift gate. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.